Clark-Dietrich presents E-Screen Drainage and Ventilation Mat. E-Screen features a 95% open drainage mesh, an integrated fabric filter, and a fabric flap on one end. Installation begins by applying a weather-resistant barrier over the sheathing in accordance with local building codes and taping all seams. Using a utility knife, cut out the window opening in an X pattern as shown here. Remove the top flap and fold the remaining flaps inward. At the window head, make a 45-degree angle cut at both sides of the window. Fold the resulting flap upward and temporarily secure. Install window sill flashing per manufacturer's instructions. Install the window and flash the window flanges. Fold the fabric flap back down and tape the cuts in. The E-Screen is always installed from right to left. Unroll the E-Screen and the fabric flap facing down and trim around all openings. Fold the bottom lap section up, under, and behind the E-Screen. This creates a bug screen at the wall base. Tack the E-Screen in place. Prepare the next course of E-Screen by trimming for the window and lapping the lap section over the already installed E-Screen. Repeat this process to complete the installation. For stucco and adhered veneer installations, install metal lap using the appropriate fasteners. The filter fabric prevents the drainage mesh from being clogged and ensures ventilation and drainage. Any moisture that ends up behind the cladding passes through the filter fabric, drains down the mesh, and exits the bottom of the wall safely. Air is allowed to circulate freely rather than trapping moisture in vapor. E-Screen allows water to escape and allows moisture to evaporate and escape the wall system, turning any wall into a pressure-equalized and water-managed rain screen system. To facilitate the drainage and drying, Clark-Dietrich has developed a top vent track and a bottom drain flashing to create both an entrance and exit for air and water. Find out more under the E-Screen section at clarkdietrich.com.